Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing two mystery unboxings, okay? A double unboxing. I haven't done one of these at all, actually. This is my first double unboxing, and both of them are from Beauty Creations. I have them right here. We have the regular mystery box, the little mystery, which I've actually unboxed before, so that's going to be down below if you want to see the one for, I think it was June. This is the August box. I didn't have time to film it in August, so here we go. But I already took a little sneak peek in there, and and then I did mention that Beauty Creations is doing like a mystery lash box now, and it's $20, and I said I was gonna get it, and here it is. Cute box. So we're gonna go through both of them right now. Don't forget, if you like drugstore makeup, that's like all we do here is drugstore makeup. If you're into that, if that's your thing, go ahead and subscribe, stick around, maybe give this video a like if you end up liking this video, and if you want to hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, that would be amazing. Don't forget, I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so it's a lot of fun here. Let's get right into it. Like I mentioned, I have unboxed the Beauty Creations Little Mystery before. The Little Mystery retails for $45. I have the information right here, let me see. It's $25. Okay, oh, I did want to tell you guys, so the little mystery is $25, so that must mean the big mystery is $45. So I always end up getting the little mystery. I feel like I get the bang for my buck. It retails for $25, and you get like 5 to 7 full-size items in here. Oh, 5 to 6 full-size items. It's valued at a $40 value. I did want to mention my total in all, like plus shipping and everything, it came out to $34.39, and I actually do end up adding everything in the box and letting you guys know how much everything was worth and how much we saved. So let's get into it. Is there any more I want to say? Oh, that there's 2 to 3 variations. I actually didn't notice this detail the last time. So they say like if you buy 2 boxes, there's a chance that you might get the same items in both boxes. But yeah, this box is actually pretty good. Or the little paper thing with information, the little lip gloss. What is this? It's a little pamphlet thing I showed the last time about the glosses. They give us like a little discount code. So now let's get into the fun stuff. So the first thing that I see here is a lip gloss, and this is the Beauty Creations Ultra Dazzle lip gloss, and this one's in the shade Born to Shine, and that is how the box looks. It looks so cute, and the shade Born to Shine. So let's open that. I actually haven't tried Beauty Creations glosses at all. Like, I've wanted to try it, I just didn't know like what color to grab. So I'm super excited that we got this in the box. This looks really cute. So let's swatch it again. This is the shade 14 Born to Shine. It looks like a good color. I mentioned doesn't smell like anything. On Thursday, we're going to be using all of the items, including the lashes from the Lash box, on the face. Yes, that's happening on Thursday, so stick around for that. That's going to be fun. Ooh, this is a nice color actually. That looks really pretty. That looks nice. So I'm excited about this. These do retail for $5.99 on their website. So this is a nice color. It's going to look gorgeous. The next product I see here is their glitter primer, and funny enough, it was so funny because like I said, I did take a little sneak peek in here, and I'm always like on Beauty Creations website and like Shop Miss A, so I'm always like online and looking to see what's new. So I actually had a couple things in my cart on the Beauty Creations site, but I just never really like bought it, and one of the things was this, and it's their glitter primer because I've always wanted to try a different one. I do own one from City Color, and that one was like $1 or $2 or something, and that one works, but I wanted to try a different one, so we got this one. Again, this little packaging, this light pink, is so cute. So I really can't wait to try this, and let's see how it looks. Ooh, okay, so it comes with that, and it looks like it's like a white consistency. Yeah, okay, can't wait to try this out. Again, we're gonna try everything on Thursday, so it's gonna be really fun. So we have a glitter primer in here, so of course they gave us some glitters, so let's look in here. First off, we got this like beautiful purple shimmer, and I think I have like one purple glitter, but it's like a deep purple, and this is really pretty, and this one's in the shade Spinel. Gorgeous, love. So we're definitely going to use that. I've always seen these at the Q Bargain as well, but I never really purchased because like this thing scares me. Like if it comes off, then all the glitter comes out. But it's perfect just to dip in. Like it's really nice. And then the packaging, it's adorable. This gray one is called Silver Dust, and their glitters on their website retail for $4.99. So I think this is a great addition to the box. Honestly, like these are really gorgeous, and the colors are amazing. I love the purple. You guys know my favorite color is purple, so I was excited to have received that. And I forgot to mention that the glitter primer retails for $4.99 as well. Next thing we got in here is so cute that they like literally went with the theme. We got a silicone situation so we could apply the glitter, and now I have glitter on my hands. Awesome. But this is their silicone situation, and this one's an RC20, and I think this is gonna be perfect for putting on that glitter again, so we don't get it all over. Oh my god. So we don't get it like all over our fingers like I just did, and we just pack it on. This is gonna be really fun. And also something else you can use this for is like pigments, loose pigments, and yes, I'm excited about this. So I'm super happy because that's also another thing I had in my cart and I actually didn't end up purchasing. So that's a good thing because it all came in here. So phone brush does retail for $2.99 on their website. Did get something really amazing, and it's this handheld mirror. This is so adorable. If you guys know me, like I do a lot of like Dollar Tree. I do finds on my Instagram, so I'm always at the store, at the Dollar Tree, at the 99, you name it, Burlington. So at the Dollar Tree, they have a lot of very inexpensive handheld mirrors. So I own 3 of those, and yeah, but this is so cute. I'm right there. Hello. So this is so cute. I'm super excited about it. Look, it's like, it's so small, and then it says give me 5 minutes. It's so cute. So I was super excited when I saw this in my box. I like handheld mirrors when I do my makeup. Usually when I'm putting on like my lashes or whatever, I need like a really good mirror to get up close and see what I'm doing. So I love these, and these do retail for $4.99 as well on their website. So that's a really amazing addition. We have 2 more items. I was super excited to see this in the box. If you guys watched my last unboxing from the Little Mystery, I actually got lashes in there, and those were pretty good. That's actually the gateway into lashes. Like before that, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna wear lashes, it's just not my thing. No. And then I wore those lashes that I got in that box for an massive drugstore haul, and it's just like it sparked my love for lashes. It just adds a little something extra. So these came in the box, and these are in the style Realness. Really beautiful. It's just so gorgeous. It's so gorgeous, and I can't wait to use these. Their lashes retail for $4.99. Well, at least these do. These are the 3D silk lashes. Again, in the style Realness. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that, but yeah, these are so cute. Can't wait to try these out. And the last item, last but not least, we got a palette. The last time we got the, I don't remember what it's called. I'll put it on the screen. That one blew me away. You could see it in the video. Gorgeous, honey. Yes, I still use it. It's an amazing palette. And we got the Hot Fire eyeshadow palette this time around, and it's just so cute. I've actually seen this a couple times at my local, I was gonna say Five Below. I've seen it at my local Q Bargain, and yes, I've been pretty tempted by this palette before. It comes with a very great variety of tones, fiery tones. This reminds me of the Naked Heat from Urban Decay. Why is everything like, it's not coming out? Yeah, it looks like the Naked Heat from Urban Decay. I own that palette, so I might do a kind of comparison soon. But these are the shades. It's so cute. Let me put it the right way. These are the shades in the palette. A really beautiful, like fiery kind of tones. It looks really nice. So we are going to use this on Thursday, so if you want to watch that, again, subscribe, stick around. We're going to use all this. I don't know how the purple shimmer is going to collide with this palette, but it's really pretty. Well, the shade Blaze looks like a nice burgundy shade. So yeah, we'll have to use this on a Thursday, and I'm super excited. This eyeshadow palette retails for $7.99 on the website. So I did add everything up. Yeah, and it came out to $41.92. That's the worth of the entire box. So technically we paid, it came out to $34.39. It was just subtract the amount worth of the box with what I actually paid, and I ended up saving $7.53. And that was interesting, like adding everything up and seeing exactly like how much you're getting in savings. I mean, $7 is $7, so I think it was pretty good amount, I'd say. Now we're gonna go on to the lashes box. So this is how it looks. It's so adorable. It says Beauty Creations lashes on lock. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is so cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. It gives you like a picture of all their 3D silk lashes, so all the names and styles, and then in the back the 3D faux mink lashes, names and styles. This is so adorable. I just love the aesthetic of lashes, so I'm definitely gonna keep this and put it somewhere where it's gonna look really cute. So let's start off with these. These look to be like the most natural ones out of the 5. I forgot to mention the box is $20 and there's only one size. It's not like a little mystery, big mystery like the other situation, but this one retails for $20 and you get 5 lashes, mystery lashes, and then we get them and then we're surprised. And I really been wanting to try more Beauty Creations lashes, so I'm super excited to have received the ones in my other mystery box, but also try out some more. So these here are the Beauty Creations 3D mink lashes in the style Extra. So really pretty, really nice. Can't wait to try these out. They honestly look really good. I can't wait to try these out. So in the back it says the only drama I enjoy is in my lashes. I think that's so cute. Okay, so that's the first pair. I'll put them on the screen so we know how much they cost. I don't remember. I have 2 in this box, the same style as, what am I saying? The same collection as the ones that we received in the other box. So these retail for $4.99. The first one, oh my god, Realness. So now I have 2 Realness. One of them came in that little mystery box that we just unboxed, and the other one came in this box. So I'm not mad about it because these look gorgeous. Yes. So I am excited to have gotten duplicates. They're cute, so whatevs. And then the other one is called Take the Spotlight, and these look really beautiful as well. And Take the Spotlight, let's compare it to the first one, Realness. So these look to be more full and these just like more wispy, and they just look really gorgeous. So I really can't wait to try this one. They look so pretty. Last 2 are from their 3D faux mink. Are they the same? Oh yeah, these are the 3D silk lashes. I'm confusing myself. The light pink are the silk lashes. The dark pink are the faux mink lashes. There we go. So I got 2 of the faux mink lashes. The first one is in the style Offended. These look to be very natural but really nice as well at the same time. This box though, it looks gorgeous. Yes. Really nice. They look super natural though. I'm here for it though. These here are from the Shamise website. Gorgeous. Like, you would think some lashes look really natural, but then when you put them on, you're like, okay. These here are in the style On Lock. These look really gorgeous, and I am going to try to do like a try on in Thursday's video of all of the lashes, like first before we begin with the eyeshadow palette that we received. So I am going to put them on the eye, let you guys see how they look on, because I know lashes can be deceiving sometimes. Sometimes they look like they're going to be super dramatic and you put them on and you're like, you know. So I am going to try to do that for you guys so you guys know what you're buying. I actually did that before, like going on the Beauty Creations website. I looked up some videos on like how lashes looked on girls, even like on the Shamise website. These here, I looked up like this video of this girl trying on a bunch of Shamise lashes. It helps, it really does. And yeah, so I'm super excited. I love every single pair. I can't believe we got a duplicate, but honestly, definitely worth it. If you like lashes and you want to try some new ones, then go ahead and get this box because this is really cool and all the lashes look gorgeous. Yeah, only $20, you get 5 pairs. I think that's a good deal. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about on the names of the prices are going to be down below. I also have a link to both boxes in the description box, as well as some videos that I uploaded last week. If you want to give those a watch, everything is in the description box below. Don't forget that I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you're interested in sticking around, if you love drugstore makeup, go ahead and stay. It's a lot of fun over here. And I also have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds over there, as well as IGTV videos and some makeup looks. So if you like that, go ahead and follow me there. I also have a link in the description box to that. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person. You make your own decisions. But it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.